everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share a swap with you guys. I swapped with the lovely Kim Kelly on Instagram. We decided to do a couple of ATCs in a summer theme swap. So yeah, this is my swap from Kim Kelly. So I'm going to open the card. She decorated it lovely with this washi tape on the back there. I'm going to try and open it without destroying. Be quite nice to keep the washi tape if I possibly can. There we go. And this is the lovely card. Oh, this is really cute, this butterfly. And then she's got happy place, do what you love. And she's layered it up with different papers. Got this nice scalloped edge on the card. I like these like sequins on there. I think this is similar to what she sent me in one of our swaps before. And then you got this little heart here. And then she just said thank you for swapping. Yeah, we do some swaps now and again, like ATCs, but we have got a Christmas one coming up soon, which I'm really much looking forward to. And then this is the package she sent me, this gorgeous bow paper. I'm just going to grab some scissors. Beautiful sequins, like little flowers. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, really pretty sequins. So they're going to be great to add to shaker cards and things. And then these beautiful paper flowers, lovely summer colours. They're pretty. They've got pearls in the middle as well. And then I think this is a ATC. She made this gorgeous little pocket for the ATCs. And then, oh wow. Oh, she's made 3. So these are her beautiful. So this is the first one, ATC. It says grow together. She's got some more of those like sequins on there, layered papers. I like the way she's like torn it and layered them up. Yeah, lots of detail on there. And this one's called Grow. It's June 25, 1 of 1. I actually think I didn't write on the back of mine, so I do apologise, Kim. I think I forgot to write on the back of my ATCs this time. But that's the first one. And then this second one's got this beautiful flower on. It says happy summer. And again, more sequins and layered papers. And then this is 1 of 1 as well. That's really pretty. Those two. And then this one's got a beautiful bee on, flower, and it says you can do it. And again, this beautiful paper in the background. And again, this one's called Summer Bee and 1 of 1. Very pretty. Thank you, Kim. They're going to go in my little folder where I keep all my ATCs. So, yeah, they're beautiful. And, oh, in that little pocket came, she put some of these little stamps. These are really pretty. I've not seen anything like this. I don't have anything like this in my stash. They're really pretty. Got loads of different flowers on them. and they're like little stamps. They're kind of cool. And then these ones as well. You could make these into like little embellishments and that. It'd be quite cool on projects. So she sent me loads of those, and then she sent me some beautiful papers. Thank you, Kim, for sending those. Yeah, thank you for swapping. Please go and check out Kim's Instagram. I will leave that in the description. She makes some beautiful projects on there. Yeah, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Have an awesome week. Bye.